Hey, and what's up guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp icon is not showing on your phone. So I have downloaded WhatsApp and the icon is not showing to me, so a reconfirmation about that, if the WhatsApp is downloaded to your phone or not, go to settings and then go to apps and then find the WhatsApp. So I'm finding it. So you can see we have WhatsApp, so it means that we did not delete it, or the WhatsApp is not deleted from our phone. So now, but still the icon is not showing to you. So basically what you need to do right now, you need to go to Play Store and then search for WhatsApp, and you need to go to WhatsApp and click on uninstall and then reinstall it. I'm not doing that because I have the icon, but I'm telling you the steps. Click on uninstall and then reinstall it. And if you have reinstalled the WhatsApp, then the new and then go to your phone and then just scroll down and you can see the WhatsApp app is on here. So now if you want to add it into your home screen, then you can do it by that. And the last thing what you did is you have accidentally hide it, and just go to settings and then just unhide the app. So yeah, that's how you can fix WhatsApp icon is not showing problem. I will see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching.